Okay, here we go again. We're it's more, still more. I need a couple of videos for this topic, which is point slope form of the line. There's more to talk about. Let's get started. Here we go. Smooth draw, pencil, and let me start writing what we're talking about over here. What we're talking about is the point slope of the line, point slope form, continued. Okay, here comes problem number 3. Write an equation. Write an equation of line that passes through -4 comma 1 and is parallel to x plus 2y to the line x plus 2y equals 3. Okay, so explanation. Explanation. Um, if you have a line A, and you have line B, A is parallel to B. And you know that the slope of A is 2/3, then slope of A is 2/3, then the slope of B. What is the slope of B? Answer, 2/3. If this is parallel to this and its slope is 2/3, then this slope, the slope of B, the slope of B is also 2/3. Okay, that is the explanation. Now, if it says, we've said before, if it says write an equation of a line, you go right to your scrap paper and you write y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So we have two ingredients. But what is the slope? Well, let's go figure out what the slope of this line is. Our line is parallel to this line. So let's get its slope. Okay, so we do x plus 2y is equal to 3 minus x on both sides. That's gone. We get 2y is equal to minus x plus 3. Divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. Here is the slope right here. The slope the slope of this line is -1/2. There's an invisible 1 here. -1/2. Okay, now we have, let me just push this up now. Now, now we have 3 ingredients. Now we have 3 ingredients. We have our x1 and our y. We have our x1 and y1, x1 and y1, and we have our slope. We have the 3 ingredients, the slope and the x1 and the y1. We bring the 3 ingredients to here. Okay, y minus y1, which is 1, equals slope, which is -1/2, times x, minus x1, which is -4. Okay, we continue. Y minus 1 equals -1/2 x plus 4. We have y minus 1 equals -1/2 x and -1/2 x and -1/2 times 4. -1/2 times 4, let me put that over here in scrap paper. Scrap paper, -1/2 times 4 over 1 equals, this goes into, 2 goes into 2 one time, 2 goes into 4 twice. -1 times 2 is -2. 1 times 1 is 1. And -2 over 1 is -2. So this -1/2 times 4 is -2. Negative times positive is negative. Plus 1 on the left and plus 1 on the right. And we get y is equal to -1/2 x minus 2 plus 1 is -1. And here is the final answer. Answer in y equals mx plus b form. Answer. So that is a long problem. It filled up the entire paper, but that is the full story. With it's almost a full story. We've got one more to go with the point slope form of the line. We've got one more video to go, so bear with me on that one.